We were catching kind of the northern end of all of that, and the wind last night was pretty intense still.
Yeah, we did have wind gusts here locally, 40 to 50, even up to 55 miles per hour. That's why we still have that wind advisory in place throughout the course of the day today. But just take a look at the scope of this weather system, really stretching up to the Great Lakes with that wraparound snow on the colder side, storms ongoing down near the Gulf and the panhandle of Florida and into South Georgia as well. And a lot of wind with this particular system as well. So where you're seeing some of this snow falling, especially in Iowa up to southern Minnesota, they're dealing with some blizzard warnings today. That's what you're seeing here in this orange color. A lot of us under wind alerts, that tan or gold color. That's a high wind warning in the gold. We are included in that wind advisory here locally. And in terms of severe weather, that threat continues to track eastward. So this will be impacting the Carolinas, especially up into southern Virginia as well. That's what you're seeing there in the orange. That's a level 3 out of 5 on today's severe weather outlook. Here at home, still under that wind advisory through 7 o'clock this evening. It went into effect yesterday at noon. And this is all because of that threat for wind gusts as high as 45 to 55 miles per hour. That will not be constant. We are seeing a slight lull in some spots this morning, but still breezy all throughout the day today with wind gusts at least 20 to 30 miles per hour. Max HD radar getting a bit of a lull in terms of the radar activity, especially off to the east around Frankfort, Lexington, Bardstown, Campbellsville, Louisville. We've had a few spotty showers continue early this morning, and that will really be the case throughout the course of the day today. So keep that rain jacket handy. Temperatures, I will let you know, will be the warmest this morning. We already hit our high temperature a couple of hours ago. Temperatures will continue to drop throughout the course of the day today. So it will be colder this afternoon and evening compared to what you're waking up to this morning. Hour by hour futurecast showing just that. So winds stay gusty. We're in the 50s this morning. We'll drop down to the 40s by this afternoon and eventually 30s this evening. Spotty rain showers, but as we know, as temperatures drop, that will likely transition over to snow showers by this evening and into tonight. Accumulation should stay minimal. We're talking an inch or less if we can get that on grassy surfaces, elevated surfaces as well. But what I'm more worried about is we're still dealing with wind gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour as the snow falls. So if you're somebody who's out late in the evening or early overnight hours through about midnight or so, I am expecting some drops in visibility there and potentially some slick spots for the Thursday morning commute. But by the Thursday morning commute, we are dry with temperatures in the 30s. We will see those clouds decrease throughout the course of the day. Thursday, a lot quieter, but still breezy, highs in the 40s. Friday, we had to have the chance for some rain late. It will be light rain late Friday evening into Friday night. Dry for the St. Patrick's Day parade on Saturday with temperatures in the 50s. And then we warm back up next week. Lots of sunshine. We're in the 60s on Monday, feeling like spring with a high of 72 next Tuesday. I'm already looking forward to that.